Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change Prizepicks bank account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your browser and then type in prizepicks.health.support, and that will land you to the Prizepicks support page. Now here, once you scroll down, there you'll find the option and the title saying how do I remove or replace payment methods associated with my Prizepicks account. So as you read on this article, you'll find that you can remove a payment method after 60 days have passed since your first deposit using payment method. What you need to do is log into your account, tap on deposit button in the top right corner. Once you're on your deposit page, you should see a trash can icon. Click the icon to remove a payment method, in your case or your bank account, and then if the trash icon isn't there, that means you still need to wait for 60 days waiting period to end. Now once you do that, then only you can change your bank account. You may only request to remove payment method once in any card calendar month, or no more than 5 times across any 12-month span. For security reason, does not permit you to remove your account. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.